Okay, we got this. We let this set up and dry real good. And we've given it a real good sanding. I use my palm sanders on this to sand it down nice. So what we got to do is we got to take this down so it's going to fit inside our body, or the head. And this is a 2 1/8" ring that I'm going to use as my pattern. So what we have to do is we have to find our center on here, so we don't lose our center when we start grinding it down. So we'll mark it there. And here. So there's our center. So we don't want to lose our center when we start grinding it. We take this circle and we're going to put that at our X. So we marked it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So we have to take all this off in here and get it round down to this circle so it'll fit inside the head. Now once we start taking this down, we might lose our circle, so you don't want to lose your center. So we're going to use a punch to mark our center so we don't lose it. So we marked our circle here. We got to take all this off. We marked our center so we don't lose our center when we get it all ground down. So we'll use our belt sander to take this down initially, and then we'll go to shaving it down and getting it to fit. Thanks for watching.